Assalamu alaikum. Let's explore nature together in this exciting quiz.
Question number 1. Which one of the following is Shati'ul Bahr? Is this river or is this beach? This one is the correct option. Shati'ul Bahr means beach. Amazing, good job. Question number 2. Which one of the following is Sahra? Is this sea or is this desert? This one is the correct option. Sahra means desert. Well done. Question number 3. Which one of the following is Ghaba? Is this forest or is this island? This one is the correct option. Ghaba means forest. Amazing, good job. Question number 4. Which one of the following is Bahr? Is this sea or is this river? This one is the correct option. Bahr means sea. Nice job. Question number 5. Which one of the following is
Nahr.
Is this river or is this forest? This one is the correct option.
Nahr.
Means river. Great work. Question number 6. Which one of the following is Jazira? Is this island or is this desert? Amazing, good job. Jazira means island. Well done.
Ready for the quiz? Try the free quiz in the description below to test your Arabic.